In this video, I will show you how to put custom status in Discord Mobile. Firstly, when you open up the application, you need to tap on your profile icon or on the last selection right down. Then you need to go on the first site, which is set status, and then it will shows up these four options in which you can simply take a look and select one of them. But if you scroll right down, it will shows up the last session, which is on the 5th place, in which it says set a custom status. Click on it. Then here you can set the status, for example, GTA playing, and then you can go and take the duration on it. You can go for clearing 4 hours and you can get back, but as you can see now it hasn't been selected, because if you get back and you add, for example, now I'll go with FIFA and I will go with clearing 4 hours, you need to make sure, guys, that you have tapped that button which is for saving this typical session which you have getting up right now. Go on it, and now as you can take that refresh, if you go for that setting status, as you can see, guys, it has been detected.